Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your math lesson for today. Let's go ahead and get started. Our standard is NBT 1.2b. Understand that the two digits of a two-digit number represent amounts of tens and ones. Our essential question today is, how can you show numbers to 100 as tens and ones? Our I can statement is, I can understand place value. For today's lesson is Go Math Lesson 6.7. We're going to be using pages 266 to 267. Let's watch our Math on the Spot video.
Hi, Detective Joey.
Well, hello there, ma'am. I'm on a case. I need to find somebody. Do you mind if I have a look around?
Not at all.
All right.
But while you're here, maybe we can do some math.
Well, I'm on duty, but why not?
Great. Let's get started.
Okay.
Mo has a group of 70 red feathers and 30 brown feathers.
Oh.
We're going to figure out how many tens and ones there are in the total number of feathers.
Detect away.
All right. So we know that Mo has 70 red feathers.
Right.
Let's go ahead and write a quick picture to show this in tens. Okay, at tens and maybe ones, how many tens are there in 70?
7.
Right. How many ones are there?
There are none.
That's right. So to express this with a quick picture, we're going to draw 7 tens. Here we go.
Do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, if we count by 10, we should get to 70. Let's do it together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70.
Aha!
Well done. Okay, so now let's look at the number 30. Okay, how many tens does 30 have?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. How many ones does 30 have?
None.
None. That's right. Okay, so when we compare the 70 and the 30, how many ones do we have?
We have no one.
We have no ones. So what number do we use to say no ones?
That would be 0.
0. That's exactly right. So we're going to write 0 ones.
Perfect.
Okay? Now, how many tens do we have?
Well, we need to count them.
We sure do. Let's do this together.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Aha! There are 10 tens. Well done. The other way you could have done it is you could have seen that we already knew there were 7 ones over here, so we could start with the number 7 and just keep counting.
That's true.
7, 8, 9, 10.
There's many ways to get to the facts.
That's exactly right. Well done, Detective Joey.
Thanks for the math, ma'am. Now, if you don't mind, I'll get back to my case.
Oh, well, who are you looking for?
Leonard, the invisible bear. Have you seen him?
Joey, you can't see an invisible bear.
That's Detective Joey. And invisible or not, you know if he was here. He's got smelly fur, and he's got smelly feet, and and he doesn't like being called smelly. I think we should probably go. Bye-bye.
Bye. Have fun with math.
Yeah. Wait.
get our book to page 266. All right, we're going to model and draw. The number just after 99 is 100. 10 tens is the same as 100. So we're supposed to draw a quick picture to show 99 and 100. So how many tens or how many lines are you going to draw? 9 lines. And how many ones or circles are you going to draw? 9, very good. Now in the video, we just saw 100. So how many tens make up 100? 10 tens, so you should have 10 lines. All right, so for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 on page 266, we need to determine how many tens and how many ones. So let's count. Let's do number 1 and number 2 together. These are tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 tens. I'm going to write the number 7 right here. And let's see how many ones we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 ones. So what number is that? Let's go back and count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Now count on by 1. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79. You can just simply look at 7 tens and 9s, 1s, 79. All right, this one's trying to trick you. They put the 1s first. So we can still figure that out, but we just need to be sure that we place it next to the word ones. So how many ones are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we would write 4 right here. And how many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to write 5 right here. 5 tens, 4 ones. Let's see what that number is. Start with your tens first. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54. I'm going to do the same for numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you're ambitious enough, you can go ahead and do the hot problems number 10 and 11. So it's asking you what number is the same as 7 tens and 20 ones. That's a little tricky. And number 11, what number is the same as 5 tens and 13 ones? So you've got to really make sure that you have on your thinking cap to answer those. But what you're mainly doing is determining how many tens, how many ones, and you're writing the number that it represents. All right, I am sure that you all can do this math lesson. Until next time, keep learning.